Hello, this is your Congressman Michael Burgess. You know, the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act is riddled with fees and penalties that will further drive up the cost of health care. This will happen through imposing burdensome taxes on families and businesses. Included in the law is a tax increase from 10 to 20% on non-medical early withdrawals from a health savings account. Now, health savings accounts have been shown to lower health care costs and allow more Americans to have more control over their money, and it should not be subject to more taxes and more regulations. To me, it's just not right. In addition, beginning in 2014, businesses that employ an average of 50 full-time employees during the previous calendar year must offer health coverage that meets minimal essential coverage or pay a fine. The Joint Committee on Taxation estimates that employers will pay $52 billion over 10 years in penalties for noncompliance. This is not the way to encourage job creation during a time when America is seeing high unemployment numbers, and we need to do everything possible to encourage job growth, not hurt job growth. Finally, the individual mandate, well, it was a tax, then a penalty, and then a tax again. The Obama administration altered its position when it realized this mandate was indeed a tax, clearly violating President Obama's promise not to raise taxes on Americans with passing his signature health care reform law. The Joint Committee on Taxation estimates that individuals will pay $17 billion in penalties as a result of not purchasing qualified health coverage. The taxes in the Affordable Care Act will affect everyone and inevitably will continue to drive up the cost of health care in this country. From start to finish, this health care law was poorly crafted, has created more cost, more bureaucracy, more chaos during a time when America is already having enough difficulty, and it will leave many Americans in the same position before the law passed, without health care insurance and with health care that costs too much. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Additional information on this issue and other issues before Congress can be found on my website, burgess.house.gov. God bless you and your family. God bless Texas.